This is a demonstration of all 16 color labels in Premiere Pro for a picture file. First, you're going to take this image, then extend it like this to use the mouse. Use the razor tool to chop this into 16 pieces. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now check the info, and it's 16 pieces. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, right-click on the first clip, then go to Label. You see here we have this group of labels. The default is set to lavender for the images. Now, click on Violet, and you see the color has changed from lavender to violet. The second one changed to Iris. Third, Caribbean. The fourth one is the default lavender, so I'll leave it at that. Next, the fifth, Cerulean. The sixth, Forest. 7, Rose. 8, Mango. 9, Purple. 10, Blue. 11, Teal. 12, Magenta. 13, Tan. 14, Green. 15, Brown. And 16, Yellow. And these are all 16 label colors for either a picture file or a video file. If you drop down a video file in Premiere Pro, the default color will be blue instead of lavender. Like, which blue color? I think it's similar to the fifth one. But anyway, that's what I want to show for the label colors. Bye.